FLNT stock analysis price predictions for Fluent stock. Is it a buy now Wednesday? I'll be breaking this down in this quick short 1 minute video, and then not just Wednesday but and onwards. First thing on the list is going to be that I'm still going to be sticking to my strategy that I've already refined over 45,000 videos, 5 years of experience, especially with Fluent. Let's zoom in, let's zoom out Aldo actually. Yeah, this is tough. Just tougher climate, man. This is just bearish. I'm not even saying it in like a bad way or anything. It's just I saw the previous data. We are failing to break with a full candle close above 270 or so. But yeah. Again, I'm not even just gonna say like, okay, you do this, you do that. No, I'm just gonna stick to my rules and strategy. And even in this particular instance, randomly selling will not be the way. But if there is a double break, then that's something that actually now starts to kind of begin looking, smelling sellish, sell side. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.